Hi everyone, quick tip today for those of you printing embossers with really fine detail. In this example, I am using the Bambu Lab A1 Mini with a 0.2mm nozzle. So let's say we've sliced this design using the preset settings. You'll notice the fine detail at the bottom in the date. We are missing some important lines. As you can see, the 5, the 2, the 0, the R, pretty much the whole bottom line here isn't really going to print how we want it to print. So we could always try and scale up the design, but if we've already sized it for a specific cookie, that is not going to be ideal. So what do? We head over to the Prepare tab, and we find our XY contour compensation. What we're going to do is we will increase the contour compensation by 0.1 millimeters. Now we're going to reslice this and you will see the difference. So as you can see, our numbers and letters are a lot fuller. They look pretty much exactly how we want them to look. What we can do, now that we know we're going to print it properly, we can always scale this back so we're not making it too thick, but we're still getting a little bit of extra thickness around our contours, just so that it does print properly. So I've just dropped it down to 0.05 millimeters. As you can see, it's still going to print everything correctly. You do need to be cautious of the little serif points on your lettering if you are using a serif based font. Everything there looks fine. I could always bump it up to 0.075 just to see if it makes much more of a difference. And there's not too much more of a difference there. So basically all this does is adds a little bit of extra thickness to your walls, and it can help you overcome little issues like that. So there you have it. Quick little tip. I hope it helps some of you.